Hi students, how are you all? I hope you all safe. Yes, yesterday, that means previous video we have studied about nomenclature of nitro compounds. What do you mean nomenclature? How to give the name for organic compound. Now we are going to learn isomerism of nitro compounds. What do you mean isomerism? Iso means same. So the compound, if you compare two compound, they are having same molecular formula, but it will differ with a certain physical property or chemical property or both physical and chemical property. So based on that, we will classify the isomerism into four types. Here we are going to learn for nitro compounds four type of isomerism. First one is chain isomerism. Second one is functional isomerism. Third one is tautomerism. Fourth one is position isomerism. So likewise we have four type of isomerism. So the first isomerism, chain isomerism. So what do you mean chain isomerism? Actually, one beauty things for all first three, chain isomerism, position isomerism and functional isomerism, we are going to take a single compound or that means same compound. Okay, so chain isomerism we can explain based on nitrobutane. Okay, C4H9NO2. What is the definition for chain isomerism? Same molecular formula. So here, whenever you are learning for isomerism, same molecular formula is common for all the definitions. Okay, any type of isomerism if you learn, everyone have this first sentence, the compounds having same molecular formula, right? So then how it becoming new isomerism? The differ in their chain formation is different. For example, you can take CH3, CH2, 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 NO2. What is the name of this compound? Yes, nitrobutane. Or you can say 1-nitrobutane. Then we can rearrange this compound into branch. How? CH3, CH, CH3, CH2NO2. If you count, both will have same number of carbon as well as hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, right. What is the name of this compound? 1, 2, 3. First we have to choose the parent chain which should connected with a functional group. Okay, so 2-methyl 1-nitropropane. 2-methyl 1-nitropropane, because in the parent chain we have 3 carbons. Okay, the next isomerism, position isomerism. What do you mean position isomerism? Same molecular formula but which having different in their position of NO2 group. What do you mean position of NO2 group is different? See, if you take one compound, the first compound may have the NO2 group in first carbon and second carbon. Another compound with the same molecular formula, if you see, the NO2 may be present in the third or fourth carbon. So the position of NO2 is different, but the compounds having the same molecular formula means we can say position isomerism. The same butane, nitrobutane you can take, right? But this already we know that nitrobutane. Here NO2 is taken in the second carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. CH3. What is the name of this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4. So second carbon having nitro group. So 2-nitrobutane. Here one nitrobutane. So what is the difference? Both parent chains are butane. Position of NO2 group only is different. So we can say position isomerism. The next one is functional isomerism. What do you mean functional isomerism? Yes, same molecular formula, but they will differ with functional group. Sir, functional group, how will it differ? See, the nitro group NO2 is based on attachment, is having two type of a functional group. One is nitrogen may attach with alkyl group, another one is oxygen may attach in the alkyl group. So based on that we have the functional isomerism. So what is functional isomerism of nitro compound? They are having same molecular formula but different functional group. For example, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, NO2. Right? What is the name of this compound? Nitrobutane. Yes. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. Here the NO2 you can connect oxygen N double bond O. The first compound nitrogen is attached with this carbon, but here oxygen. So this is nitrobutane. Here butane nitride. What's the name of this compound? Butyl nitride. So because of this different, we can say they are different functional group. So because of the different functional group, but if you count number of carbon, hydrogen, both will have same number of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. So we can say functional isomerism. The next one, actually the tautomerism, the fourth one. Tautomerism is a special type of isomerism which executed by the nitro compound. What's a special type of isomerism? Tautomerism. So tautomerism means they will have same molecular formula, but because of different arrangement, they will have different properties. Okay, or we can say by the transfer of alpha hydrogen, it will produce new compound. Like tautomerism will produce nitroform, acinitroform. Like two type or two different property will execute because of this tautomerism, right? How, sir? Here we are going to take nitromethane. So CH3NO2. This NO2 we can write double bond O coordination colon bond with the oxygen. Okay. What will happen? See this oxygen double bond, because of high electronegativity of oxygen, it will attract this bond. Because of this loss of bond, it will carry positive charge. Nitrogen will carry positive charge. At the same time, this one of alpha hydrogen will shift towards the oxygen. It will form OH group. What will happen? Again, I am telling that CH3, you can split like this. Then you shift this bond. This bond you can shift as a minus. O minus will attach to this hydrogen, becoming OH group. So it will form reverse or equilibrium product. What is that? CH3 is reduced into CH2. That is double bond because of this bond. Then there is no change in the coordinate colon bond, but here single bond OH. Okay. This is called nitroform. See, this one is called nitroform. This one is called acid nitroform or acid nitroform. That means why we are saying acid nitroform. See, this hydrogen can be donated as a proton like other acid. If you take some other acid, what is the nature of acid? It will give the H plus. The same, the nitro compound will give the H plus ion. That's why we are saying that is acid nitroform. Okay, right? All the nitro compounds will give this like acid nitroform. No, only primary, secondary nitro compound will give. Tertiary don't have the alpha hydrogen. That's why it will not give any acid nitroform. That is important one mark. Only primary and secondary compound will undergo the diatomerism. Okay, right. Now we are going to learn some difference between the nitroform and acid nitroform. See, the nitroform is less acidic compared with the acid nitroform. Then it is slowly soluble with NaOH. That means acid means it will react fast, but it is not that much of acid character. That's why we can say it slowly, that nitroform slowly dissolve with NaOH. But already we know that this is an acid character, so we can say which is dissolved instantly. Then it will neutralize, that means decolorize the neutral ferric chloride FeCl3, but it produces like brown, reddish brown color resins or precipitate. What about this one? It cannot maintain the ionic nature, so it is not conducting current fast, okay, which is not a good conductor for electricity, but it is a good conductor of electricity because of it can form ions. Okay, now we are going to learn the acid nature of nitro compound. So usually you know that compared with the nitro compound, acid nitro compound having more acid character, and also if you compare with the aldehyde ketones, so which one is having high nitro compound? So nitro compound having more acidic character than acid and ketones. Okay, then we may compare with a highly substituted alkyl group with a less substituted nitro compound. That means what, sir? See, if you take CH3NO2, here the carbon having all the three hydrogen in the methane. If you see CH3, CH2NO2. Now look at this carbon which is having only two hydrogen. One of the hydrogen is substituted by CH3. If you remove one more, this is called a highly substituted nitro compound. If you compare the acid character of these two compound, which one having less substituted compound, it will have more acidic character than more substituted compound. So from these two, which one having the more acid character? Less substituted nitro compound. Next we are going to learn about some preparation of nitro compound. The first preparation, what is that? We can prepare any alkyl halide react with potassium nitride in the presence of a ethanolic solution, or catalyst we can take alcohol ethanol, and also in the presence of nitrogen gas. Okay, so bromoethane CH2Br with potassium nitrate, sorry, not nitrate, nitride. What are the conditions? Ethanol and then nitrogen also we have to take. Okay, sorry, not nitrogen, SN2 reaction on heating. What is SN2? So the types of reaction we will learn in the previous lesson. Sorry, we will learn the upcoming reactions. Okay, that means there are different types of reactions. Okay, electrophilic reaction, nucleophilic reaction, then electrophilic substitution reaction, nucleophilic substitution reaction. After that, unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction, bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Likewise, based on the reaction mechanism, we have several types of reaction. In that, this is binuclear nucleophilic substitution reaction. Binuclear nucleophilic substitution reaction, that is only simply represented as a SN2. This is very simple mechanism. KBr, potassium bromide, you can remove. What's the remaining? CH2NO2 plus KBr. We have prepared the nitro compound. What is the nature of nitro compound? That means name of nitro compound, nitroethane. Then next we are going to prepare from the methane gas with nitric acid. See, we are going to take both as a gaseous state. We are going to pass through the red hot silicon tube. Okay, methane gas CH4 with nitric acid gas in the presence of a red hot silica tube. Okay, and also the temperature we can maintain 675 Kelvin. So it will produce nitromethane. How? The nitric acid you can write HONO2. CH4 you can write CH3H. Remove the water. NO2 you can add it. So CH3NO2 plus H2O. This is the mechanism of this reaction. Next we are going to take the third one from halo acid. What do you mean halo acid? Some halogen is present in the acid group with, as usual, sodium nitrite NaNO2 with water and heat. Actually this kind of reaction like a diazotation reaction. First we will see what is halo acid. See, acid, how you write? So we know that, like we can write acetic acid. One of this hydrogen, if you remove with any halogen, we can say that is halo acid, which is treated with again nitric acid. Yes, sorry, sodium nitrate. Nitric acid will with sodium hydroxide we will take diazotation reaction. So directly we can take sodium nitrate. Okay, what are the catalysts? Here we got to take water and also we want to heat. Heat means you can use delta symbol, right? How the reaction will take place? Here also very simple reaction. As usual, see the CO2 will go out from this CH3 will form, NaCl will go, NO2. So one by one I will tell. First remove the CO2. What are the remaining? CH3Cl. Then NaCl. So CO2 is removed, NaCl is removed. What are the bending? CH3NO2. That is nothing but nitromethane. So we have prepared the nitro compound. The next preparation from amine compound. Which one is called the amine compound? The compound which having NH2 group is called the amine group. On oxidation, we can bring the NH2 group into NO2. So we are going to take tertiary amine here. Why I am saying tertiary? The amine group attached carbon having no hydrogen. So oxidizing agent potassium permanganate will give oxygen. So how many oxygen it will give? 3 oxygen. So 2 oxygen combined with one oxygen will combine with this hydrogen. It will remove as a water. Remaining 2 oxygen you can add in the nitrogen. So you will get 2,2 tertiary butyl nitrate, or you can say 2-methyl-2-nitropropane. That's the IUPAC's name of compound. 2-methyl. So you have to take parent chain, the second carbon having one substitution, methyl group. So nitro group also present the second carbon. 2-methyl-2-nitropropane is the name of the compound. Okay. Next, oxidation of oxime. What is oxime compound? Already we have prepared aldimine compound like oxime compound in the previous lesson. Aldehyde react with the hydroxylamine NH2OH. Okay. So already we have prepared that oxime. Here we are going to take aldoxime, acetaldoxime. So CH3 CH double bond NOH. This is called aldoxime. Okay. Here the special type of catalyst we are going to take difluoroperoacetic acid. Peroxyacetic acid. See Cl. So it means CF3CO. Acid means 2 oxygen will write. If you add one more, we'll say peracid. So trifluoroperoacetic acid is named as CF3COOOH. Okay, right. It is also acting as a what? Oxidizing agent. Okay, so what will happen? It will produce some oxygen. It will give the nitroethane compound. Okay, how it will form nitroethane compound? Simple. You migrate this hydrogen CH2. You add this one more oxygen CH3 CH2 NO2. Okay, so we will get the expected nitro compound as a product. Okay, so almost we have prepared all the aliphatic, that means small with a linear structure nitro compound we have finished. Now we are going to take aromatic nitro compound. What do you mean aromatic nitro compound? So aromatic nitro compound means which will have aromatic nitro compounds. Benzene ring with NO2 only called aromatic nitro compounds. We can say nitroarenes. Okay, right. The first preparation of a aromatic nitro compound with benzene nitric acid. How will you draw the benzene ring? Benzene. All carbons having the hydrogen. For example, I am going to remove this hydrogen. Just that's why I have written this hydrogen. Here also we have hydrogen. If you need, you can write. Then which is treated with nitric acid. Okay, that nitric acid and also the catalyst H2SO4. Actually, this reaction also called nitration. Nitration means that is not NO2 group. Previous lesson also we have studied. Okay, so the nitric acid we can write H2O NO2. Water will be removed. NO2 we can add up. So what is the product? Nitrobenzene with water. Okay. Then this is actually direct method. We are going to use the indirect method. What do you mean indirect method? Para amino nitro compound we will take nitrobenzene. In that we will undergo the diassociation reaction with the sodium nitrate and hydroboric acid. Okay. What is indirect method? You have to take para nitroaniline. This is nitro compound. Benzene ring with NO2 is called aniline, which is treated with sodium nitrate. And also we have to take borofluorate compound. So it will give some intermediate. How it will give? Actually, here the NO2 is an aqueous solution. So it will have the water as well as nitric acid. Okay. See this, you can write NaNO2, you can write NaOH, then HNO3. From that, if you remove the water, you will get NaNO2 group. Okay. Nitrate will give, on reduction you will get nitrite. Okay, right. So here what will happen? This one more nitrogen will be added. So it becoming like benzene diazonium compound. Okay. What do you mean benzene diazonium compound? End of this lesson separately we have one type of compound. See, N double bond N with some alkyl group present. That means it having some aromatic compound means that is called a benzene diazonium compound. Okay, like that compound it will produce. So this NO2, how you write means N double bond O ONA. NaNO2 only I have written like this. Now remove this water. Now N double bond will added. Here also we can remove this compound as a sodium hydroxide NaOH. BF4 we can add with the nitrogen. So nitrogen, double bond nitrogen, BF4. See, mechanism important. Here nitrogen already is there, then double bond N with BF4 compound. So it becoming positive, the remaining becoming negative compound. Actually it is an intermediate, further react with sodium nitrate on copper metal. What will happen? Again you can remove all this by NO2. How? This will go as a nitrogen gas. This will go along with the sodium borofluorate. So NO2 we can add up in the top of benzene ring. So NO2, the para position also we have one more NO2 plus nitrogen gas and also NaBF4, sodium borofluorate. All this compound will form. Okay. This you can again split into NaF and BF3. Okay, right. Next we are going to learn another preparation of a nitrobenzene compound. Okay, this is also important. Here are the different types of catalyst we are going to use. The one is Carros acid. So what is Carros acid? H2SO3. If you take H2SO5, if you take H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid. H2SO5, Carros acid. Or already you know that trifluoroperoacetic acid. Or you can take persulfuric acid. H2 persulfuric acid. What is persulfuric acid? H2S2O8. H2S2O8. So all these catalysts if you use in the nitro compound, what will happen? See, aniline, already we know that benzene ring with a NH2, not with a single NH2 which having di 2 NH2 which is treated with any one of these catalysts like trifluoroperoacetic acid or Carros acid or persulfuric acid. As usual, oxidation. Here we have to take S6 oxygen. What will happen? 1 oxygen will go as a water, remaining 2. Then here also 1 oxygen will go as a water. You can add the 2 oxygen. 2, 1, 3, 3, totally 6 oxygen. So both NH2 group will change into NO2. So dinitrobenzene 1,4 dinitrobenzene with water molecules. Okay. So all that preparation of aromatic nitro compounds over. Some physical properties of nitro compounds. Okay. So lower halogen compounds. What do you mean lower nitro compounds? That is colorless pleasant smelling liquid. So already pleasant smelling like fruity ester we have studied in the previous lesson. Here which also having another character. So in between we have to note that this nitrobenzene having special name oil of myrrhine. See, which is having this special name because it is showing like a oil. Okay. So the nitrobenzene also called. See, dinitrobenzene we have prepared in this reaction. Don't confuse with that. Simply this nitrobenzene you can call it oil of myrrhine. Then they are sparingly soluble in water. That means it is not readily soluble. You will take partially soluble with water. Readily soluble like organic solvent, benzene, ether, other compounds. Okay. Then high boiling point as well as with having their high polar nature. Why? We know that N double bond O is there. So it's always having the negative and positive like polar nature. It's having high polar nature. It is having low boiling point than alkane compounds. Okay. The chemical properties of nitro compound we'll see in the next video. Thank you.